Hello! So yesterday I have been playing Warzone2100, that is the year 2100, and I've been trying to do it on the Linux Mint, but somehow my CPU will go all 100%. I don't know what was the problem, but I have got like two of the things. Like I have Debian Ubuntu based uh, distro Linux Mint on my PC, and on my laptop there is the Arch based Garuda Linux. And when I tried it on Garuda Linux, and it worked very well. Like, I don't know what was the problem, but yesterday I wasn't able to upload the video because I was playing it all day and for the most part in the night. And it's a very good game, you should play it too, as it is free and open source. So what should we be covering today? Let's see. Okay, as we were talking about Linux Mint, Cinnamon 5.6 desktop environment is here. It will be included in the Linux Mint 21.1 code name Vera, and Linux Mint Vera will be releasing at the end of the December 2022. One of the biggest changes in this release will be the corner bar, as highlighted by the Linux Mint leader Clement Lefebvre in a newsletter. As with many Cinnamon applets, corner can be configured as well. In addition, the corner bar supports a feature called Peek to Desktop, which can be enabled on mouse hover. As the name suggests, this feature lets you take a sneak peek at your desktop when you drag files over the corner bar applet. Of course, this bumps your productivity when you have many windows open and you want to drag files on your desktop. The peek to desktop feature is disabled by default for the mouse hover action, so you'll have to enable it from settings. And the best part is that you can configure hover delay and window opacity. Other new features include a new setting to set the duration of a notification, support for key bindings to the inhibit applet, the ability to lock desklets in place, and many more. Of course, there are many under the hood changes to make Cinnamon faster and more stable. Also, if you are using Arch Linux, you can install Cinnamon 5.6 right now. So if you like the video, like it, and if you dislike the video, dislike it, and do tell me in the comment below why. That would be all for now. Thank you.